Okay, hello, I am Daniel, and today I'm going to teach you how to do adding and subtracting fractions. So first off, we're going to start off with a straightforward and simple sum. So like 1/3 add 1/3, which would be 2/3, because you don't add the denominators together. You have to add the numerators together and keep the denominator the same. So the answer is 2/3. You just do the same for subtraction. For subtraction, you just have to keep the denominator the same and just subtract the numerators. Easy and simple. Now we're gonna look at a much more trickier sum, which would be an unlike sum fraction. So we just 3/7 add 1/3. You don't add the denominators together, and you don't add the numerators together. So all you need to do is convert the fractions together. So first off, you'll need to multiply the denominators together, which would be 21. And then you'll have to convert these fractions for the denominator to be 21. So I'll have to teach you how to do that. So all you need to do is divide the denominator and the other denominator. So if you don't understand that, you just say 21 divided by 7, which would be 3. And you have to multiply that answer with the numerator, which would be 9/21. And for 1/3, you just do the same. Divide 21, which would be 7, times multiply 1 is still 7. Okay, now you have to add these fractions together. And keep these denominators the same. Don't want to change them. So all you need to do is add the numerators, like I said. So 7 plus 9 is 13. It should be 13/21, and that should be your answer. If not, you will have to check again. So this time we're gonna look at a much more trickier one. So you just do 3/7 add 7/10. You multiply them, 70. Yep, we know that. And then you'll need to convert them, like for the other one, which would be 70 and 7 would be 10, and then you have to multiply it by the numerator, which would be 30/70. For the other one, you just do 70 and 10 is 7, multiply the answer by 7, and the numerator, which is 7, would be 49. And just add them up, and the answer of the numerator would be 79/70. I won't be quite so sure about it, because it's called an improper fraction. It's a fraction that's has the numerator that is bigger than the denominator. So we have to convert that into a mixed number. So you got 79 and 70. Keep the denominator the same. It's a rule. And then you put one whole. So one whole, if you say one whole, okay, it means that it's 100% of the denominator. And for the numerator, you just add on you just put there what is left over, which is 970. So it's 100% of 70, add 9. That's what it means. So now I guess it'll be a little more complicated for the next one. So all you need to do is, so just for example, we have 3 and 2 tens, add 4 and 1 10. Actually 1/7. So if you didn't, for the other sum we did last time, you would just convert them, yes, and then you just have to subtract it. But if you're doing subtraction, there shouldn't be a mixed number. Otherwise you have to check it again. So now we just need to learn how to do this. So first off, we just need to convert it. 10 times 7, 70. Yeah. You don't have to. You just need to ignore the the whole number. We'll get onto that after this. So you said to, okay, so well, like I said to you, you add the numerators. 14 plus 10 is 24. Over 70. And then for the whole numbers, all you do is just ignore these fractions and add these fractions together, which is 7. 7, 24, 70. For subtraction, you just need to convert them, yes, but for the whole numbers, you have to minus and subtract them. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.